Dragon Boy Fountain. Fun with Fire. Doing the Phantom Hero series from Phantom Fireworks. Had this one sitting around for a long time. Never did it. It's a little fountain called Dragon Boy Fountain. I guess he's like a superhero. A Phantom Hero series.
I'll knock you out with my super kick.
Kind of looks like a ripoff from Robin from Batman. But look, he's got a black belt. I wouldn't mess with Dragon Boy. Look at those eyes. There's a performance. Here's the performance. Effects. Silver spray and red pearls, green pearls, silver chrysanthemums, and crackling with color pearl. It's a real kicker. Let's check out Dragon Boy Fountain. Phantom Fireworks. Check it out. Oh yeah, a whole lot of booming. Labor Day 2019. Alright, it's dark out here. Let's see. There it goes. There it goes, Dragon Boy. Nice. Look at that. Oh, look at the red. Green in there. Oh, nice. Little guy, but that's pretty cool. That Dragon Boy sure has some kicks. Nice. Dragon Boy. Ah, the smell of pyro. Love it. Happy Labor Day, everyone. Lots of booming going on.